guys, how's it going today? Thought I'd make a video because I haven't made a video in about probably a year, I would say. I'm trying to post a lot more, but it's been kind of hard to us cutting hay and stuff and chopping. But I'll make a video for you guys today, just going and checking crops and stuff around the farm, just kind of as like a comeback video, I guess, because I haven't done it in a while. So last night we actually had some pretty good rain, so it's pretty good for the corn and alfalfa, but we had some pretty bad storms, so we got the generator hooked up on the 7420. That ran all night. Then we got our big generator hooked up too, so that's good. We were able to get all the cows milked, but I'll take you back behind the farm right now. We can go check on some alfalfa, I guess, that I cut probably about a week and a half ago and see how that's coming up. As you can see, we got some rain, so that'll be good. We were in kind of a drought for a little bit, so. But this is our old heifer yard right here. This is where all of our heifers used to go. So all that's all excavated back there, and we're hoping that we can get some cows in here soon, and we can put a barn up right there and over this, and canopy it over this feeding area in here. This all used to be a pasture, all in here. You can see the fence is still kind of up right there, but they had to take it down a little bit to put in this road here so we could get back to our fields. Yeah, but this is some stuff that I cut about a week and a half ago. It's coming up pretty good. It's a little grassy, but that's okay. Here we got some pretty good stuff coming up right here. As you can see, the ground's a little squishy. So yeah, you can still kind of see where I cut it off right here, but it's all coming back up pretty good. It should shoot up pretty good now because we got all that rain, but hopefully we can get one of those every couple of weeks like we did last night. But I'll take you up to our cornfields up here now. That's actually our well back there in that little like kind of shed thing back there, that little storage unit. So that's actually the pump that runs pumps water to our whole entire farm. And there's an electrical box right there for it, so that's pretty neat. I can actually take you and show you guys on the inside of it. All here has to get replanted soon though. All that kind of weeds growing up in there because we dug it all up for running electrical lines and we kind of never got to it. So I'll make a video of me planting that, and it'll be pretty cool to take out the old John Deere seed drill after it's been sitting in the shop for a long time. But so here's our well room. This is the room that gives the whole farm water. So this is the well right here that was, I think we drilled it probably, I would say 2 summers ago. So here's all the pump controls and everything right here. I don't know much about it, but I helped kind of put all this in here. So I'm not going to say too much and get it all wrong. But yeah, this is kind of just an old storage container that we, well, it's not really old. It's a storage container that we converted to a well room, and it's been working pretty good. Then right up there, we just put that hay shed in a couple weeks. No, not even a couple, probably. I think they got it done a week ago, and they're just getting all the landscaping done up there now. And our new chopper's in there right now, so I could go show you that quick probably. After I show you guys all the corn. They walk on the silage piles and they ruin all the plastic, so, and it's not fun to put new plastic on a pile, so. I'll show you this. Well, this kind of turned into a tour video, but that's okay. This used to be our old milking barn in here. This was our old milking barn back in the day. Right here. All these posts got put in a while ago. Like probably 2 months ago. And we're hoping to get calves in here this month. Or I'm trying to talk my dad into let me raise some pigs or something in here just to try it. But this whole thing has to get repainted, and right here you can see right here got built in 1959. So I don't know if it was built it might have been, the concrete was poured in 1959. Which is pretty neat to think. Yeah, and we still have the old hay loft up there now, but we don't do small square bales anymore, so we can't really do that anymore. And like all these cross beams are all broke off. So it's a strong barn though. been here for a long time, so I'll go up and show you guys all the corn on top of the hill. Right there, we're actually working on extending our maternity pen. We're gonna move this hill right here because that's where our old sand pile used to be, and we're gonna extend it out to the length of the freestall barns, I believe. But right now I'll go take you up the hill and I'll show you the corn up here, show you guys how it's doing. Yeah, so right here, this is all the corn that we planted up here. You can see right now it's a little windy right now, but you can see right now it's starting to tassel in here. Some cobs should be starting to come in pretty soon. And yeah, this stuff's pretty tall. I can't remember the exact day that it was planted, but the reason all the weeds are in here is because we didn't spray this year because we're actually in the process of switching over to organic dairy farming right now. Yeah, so this stuff's pretty nice right now. And with that rain, it really helped it shoot up because a couple days ago, this stuff was actually, it was all curling in on itself, and it was all actually, a lot of it was pretty close to dying, but that rain came in at a good time, and it's good because we actually thought that it wasn't gonna come in at all. Maybe if I go deep enough in here though, we might be able to find a cob or two in here that's starting to come in. Maybe. Yeah, like this right here is a pretty mature piece right now. Yeah, right here we got a little cob right here starting to come in. It's about a little longer than my thumb, which is good. It's just I haven't checked it in a while, but it's doing good now, so that's good. We have a few immature pieces in here that the weeds got too, but when you're organic farming right now, this corn's mature enough to the point where the weeds can't hurt it, I don't think. When you do organic farming, right before this corn canopy's over like how it is, you gotta cultivate in between the rows. Then it gets all those weeds out of there, and you might have to do it, you have to do it about 2 or 3 times a year. And then once all this corn canopy's over like that, all these weeds won't get any sunlight and they'll all die. So it's pretty neat to think about. I've never really cultivated corn before, but I guess I'll learn how to. So I'll go show you our new hay shed that we put up. Show you that quick. Show you the hay shed in another video because I think there's some people over there right now, but I'll go drive by and see it, I'll restart the video. So guys, right now there are people over there, so I'll make another video tomorrow of a tour of the hay shed that we put up. So see you guys tomorrow, I guess.